Good evening folks and welcome back to the Millside Kitchen. Can't cook but I have to. Tonight we're going to be making salmon, coriander, chili, fish cakes.
So folks, tonight the ingredients you're going to need is red onion, red chilies, you can use green but red's better for colour, garlic, ginger, coriander, a knob of butter to fry and some salt and pepper to season. We have already put all these ingredients through our Ninja. Once Darryl fries these, we're going to add the finished product to mashed potatoes. We have done it earlier, just normal mashed potatoes seasoned. We're going to put a sprinkle of cheese, and of course the main event is salmon. We cooked earlier and we've just shredded it. So folks, we're going to let Darryl take over the frying process.
Okay, so we've got splash oil and a knob of butter. The reason we're using butter and oil is the oil will allow us to take the butter to a higher temperature, and that will just give us a better finish and flavour. We have one red onion, albeit it was quite a big red onion, finely sliced through the Ninja. Red chilli, good teaspoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of ginger. We're going to mix that around, give it a good fry off, and let all them flavours come together. Pinch of salt and pepper, and then we're going to add the coriander in. Don't add it in too early because that will burn and singe. And a couple of sprigs of coriander again, finely sliced, diced, whatever. And we want to leave a bite in that, so when we cook the fish cakes it's got a chance to do its thing. So happy that's doing okay there. 3 large potatoes, boiled, steamed, riced, seasoned. We're going to add all this to it, along with this was 3 salmon fillets. We're not going to use all 3 in this. We'll take half of that and we're going to mix it all together. Give that a good blend up. Now, as you see, them ingredients are warm, and that can affect just how it's going to mould out. We had made up a couple earlier on, so it's all well blended, and Stephanie's going to show you a few that we had already pre-made.
So folks, now we're back onto our panny. Remember we done this the other night for the chicken supreme. At this stage you need to do these cold, so at this stage you would reshape, which I'm just doing. I've already done these 2 here. So we flour, egg, sometimes when you put the egg in it can run back off it again. Just keep turning until you know it's well coated, and then crumb. Try to go very, very gentle. There's nothing worse than fingerprints in it. So we're going to do these 2. Oh, see what I mean with that running off? Just coat as much as you have to coat. And then crumb. Again, like the chicken supreme, 1 hand dirty, 1 hand clean. Now, Darryl's going to take over those into the fryer.
So like the chicken supreme, as Stephanie said, you can do these in the fryer, chip pan. We got it done them on a regular pan with a knob of butter and some oil, shallow fried them and got them in the oven. Locked down this thing, I've seen a bit of use. There's a couple of kids in the house. we're forever doing bits and pieces, and that keeps them happy. So it's always in play. So both of these are just going to drop in for about 3 minutes. And we'll stick the lid on that, let them do their thing. So it's a salmon fish cake, and Stephanie's going to finish that and garnish it with a guacamole. And she's going to talk you through how that's done now.
Okay folks, so this is going to be our garnish. And again, we're using the Ninja. Oh wait, so we're going to use the Ninja. So I have 2 avocados in this. This might be pushing this a bit, but we'll push it anyway. We're going to put some tomato. We're going to do some fresh chili. We're going to do a sprig of coriander, some garlic, teaspoon of garlic, some red onion, and we're going to squeeze lime. To be fair, I put 2 in that instead of 1, so we're going to put in our half lime into this, because I think we're going to need it. Okay, so again, the Ninja. This wee baby is ultra fast. Couldn't ask for better than that. What I would say is a little bit of seasoning. Just a tiny bit of seasoning, and then we'll sprinkle it around. Pass it over to Darryl to finish your dish.
So Tiernan, come back over here and see, look in the fire. These are frying away and they're nice golden colour. However, that's not going to be enough to cook them through. So they're going to have probably about 3 minutes in the fryer, and then I would suggest another 4 to 5 minutes in the oven just to get them cooked all the way through, which luckily enough I have. So, salmon fish cakes. We've got a rocket salad, just plain rocket. You can have dress this up whatever you want. You have basil, pesto, balsamic. However, we're just keeping it reasonably plain tonight. We have the rocket. We have the salmon fish cake and a good dollop homemade guacamole. Which, again, once you learn how to make the guacamole, all topped off with a lot of Parmesan cheese. The guacamole, as you know, is really fashionable now with the breakfast. So once you get that recipe right, you can use that in so many dishes. So folks, I hope you enjoyed the salmon fish cake tutorial tonight. Remember, as always, stay safe. What's the other one?
Stay hydrated.
You got it. Thank you very much.